Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Gryphon Titan. Now, this is a kaiju that was supposed to be in a Godzilla movie that was never made back in the early 90s. So I'm not really sure how this is going to look out color-wise or anything. I'm just going to kind of play it around with it. But I hope you guys really enjoy this design because once I saw the models for it, I knew that I definitely had to draw it. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Gryphon Titan, we're going to begin right over here, and we're just going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then back up for the eye. Next we'll draw a line that goes down and then up. I'm going to put a little line underneath it. Starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up right above it. Then I want to angle this in. Next, I'm going to bring this line around with a curve and then come down. Then right here, we'll draw a little line up for the nose. Right here, we're going to come out, we're going to go down, and we're going to bring it back up for the chin. We're going to make some little lines that go out and then in for the jaw. I'm going to leave some space right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point for like a spike and down. I'm going to draw another one here that goes down and then curves back, leaving a little bit of space. Then right here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to come right up to here. Then I'm going to kind of follow right behind the eye and draw another long line. Right here, I'm going to make lines going to come up to a point, and then it's going to come back for a big sharp horn. And then right here, I'm going to make some little lines that are going to curve up to kind of show the little wrinkles in the neck. Right up here, there's like an ear, so we're going to draw a line that's going to come out to a point and then back with a little line right around the top. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and you can see it's going to be a lot fatter up here and a lot skinnier right here on the neck. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in a little bit. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to angle down quickly. And we're going to make a line that's going to curve in and then come up. We'll make another one here. It's going to come down to a point and then up. And one more here, and then we're going to curve it in. I'll add another little line, and then I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to angle it up here. Find a little line right up here. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in for the chest. Right along here, I'm going to put some spikes, and we're going to curve these all the way up to the top. Then we'll make a little line that comes down. Now for the leg, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve back. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve around here. Now the foot of this guy is going to be a big hoof, so we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go back. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here. We're going to draw a little line that's going to go out and up. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come back. We're going to go in and then curve. And then right here, we're going to add a big curved line for the back of the leg. We'll make this a little taller. Now, starting back up here, we're going to work on the wings. So starting right here, I'm going to add a little line, and then I'm going to bring this back. For the wing, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. Then we're going to come straight up like this. Then I'm going to add a line that's going to curve up to a point and then back like a thumb. Next, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to curve out to here. It's going to come to a point and then it's going to be really, really skinny and then come back. Make another one that's going to come out just a tiny bit farther, and it'll do the same thing. We're going to keep it really skinny, and then it's going to come back here. Do another one here, nice and skinny, and then bring it back. And then finally we're going to do one more right down here. This is going to be the shortest one. We come down, and then we just bring it back. Keep them really, really thin. Next, I'm going to add a little curved line in between each one to kind of show it's got like a finger look. Then I'm going to come down at an angle and then bring it back here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here, and it's going to come out to a point for the tail. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines right here, and then I'm just going to draw this line down, and I'm going to get a little bit skinnier as I come down to the tail. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to connect each one of these. And then we're going to make a line that comes up, and we're going to come right to about here. Now we're going to move right back up here, and we're going to start adding some spikes on the back. So we're just going to put some spikes. They're going to get a little bit taller at the very back of the neck, and then they're going to get a little smaller. And we'll run them right down the back. Then we're going to put some spikes back here as well. So we're going to make the points come all the way down here. And like on most of our Titan characters, once they get towards the tip of the tail, you can make them a little bit smaller. I'm also going to run a little line down here, and I'm going to put a row of spikes on here too. I'm just kind of curving these, making them a little smaller as they come down. Now I'm going to add another leg in here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and back. I'll make this line come down and then curve over. Little line that comes down and then back here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. We'll make another line that's going to come down here to a point. One more here, and we're going to bring it up. So now we have our basic shape of our Gryphon Titan from Godzilla. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to start here by just drawing a little line that comes up towards the eye, and another little line or two underneath the eye. Put a curved line right here, and a little line right underneath the mouth, and another one or two here. I'm going to draw a couple little broken lines that come right here to show some detail, and I'm going to make these kind of come up a little higher. We're going to add some curves onto the top of the horn. Little line's going to come up and down here. I'm going to add a long line or two right here. I'm going to add a couple more extra little curved lines in here. We'll add some little curved lines in here for some claws. And I'm just going to make a few little broken lines coming right across here for some details. A couple little lines here and a few little broken lines on the stomach. Put some curved lines right here. And then just some long little lines right in here on the wings, just for a little bit of detail. A couple little curved lines here, and a couple more over here. Do a couple broken lines here, and I'm going to do some quick little lines on here for the knee. And a couple little lines over here too. I'm going to do some little lines coming down here on the hooves. And a couple little broken lines coming down the tail. And we'll do a couple more little lines on the arm, and then it's kind of up to you wherever you want to add some extra little details. And there you go. There is your drawing of the long-lost Gryphon Titan from the unmade Godzilla movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.